Okay, everyone, on that video we will talk about how we factorize algebraic expressions by using the difference of two square rule. That's a binomial equation, or you can check about binomial equations on net. Maybe I will take a video about that later. Okay, let's see. X squared minus y squared. There's a rule. X squared minus y squared is all time equal x plus y multiplied by x minus y. So you can write instead of that one x minus y first, x plus y first. It's no problem for us. Y first row factor, second factor, and you can change. This is first factor, second factor. We can change their places, no problem. It's same, first one and second one. Okay, this is our rule. So usually I will use add them and subtract them. So I will add them or subtract them. I'm not going to prove this one works. You can multiply this term by that one and you can see it's equal to x squared minus y squared. Let's continue. I will do only mathematics here. So x squared minus 49. As you see, x squared is a square, but 49 doesn't. There is no square. So, but if you think about 49, it's a perfect square number. X squared minus 7 squared. So this is equal first one plus second one. Second one is 7 here. It's a number, not variable. First one minus second one. Again, second one is a number. So x plus 7 multiplied by x minus 7 are factors of x squared minus 49. Let's see some difference question. Again here, oh, that's 100 x squared minus y squared. There is a square, there is another square. But as you see, 100, there is a coefficient. So I need all of them under the square. So how can I do it? 10, so 100 is equal to 10 squared. So there is an x squared minus, x squared minus y squared. So 10 squared and x squared, I can write it as 10x squared minus y squared. So as you see, I have a term here and I have a variable here. What is the rule? First one 10x plus second one y multiply first one minus second one. So that's equal to that one. Let's keep it here. So I will solve the second question. Okay, that's really easy. Add them and subtract them, but be careful. We need under the square. So that's square of 10x. So 10x is here, squared number, squared term, and y squared. Y is the squared term here. 9x squared. Be careful here. This is 9 times x squared, and as you see, 9 is not under the square. It's not a squared number. Or same goes for 25. Again, I can change it 3x squared. I am going to jump this step here because 3 squared multiplied by x squared is will be 3x squared minus 5y squared. Same idea. So I have two terms. They are squared terms, of course. 3x squared of 3x and square of 5y. The difference of them. So what is the rule? Add them and multiply the difference of them. So 3x minus 5y. Here in addition, on addition you can change the places, but we cannot write 5y minus 3x because all time first one plus second one, first one minus second one. Important. You can change 3x plus, instead of 3x plus 5y, you can write 5y. Sorry, I couldn't write y today. Plus 3x, no problem. But we cannot write 5y minus 3x. We cannot write that part. Instead of that one, of course, if you know a bit integers, if you know algebraic expressions terms clearly, you can say minus 5y plus 3x. But of course, we are not doing anything that one at the moment. We are not doing some things like that. If you can factorize it, that's enough for us. Let's see another example. Oh, 75x squared minus 48y squared. Very interesting question. Why 75 is not a perfect square? 48 is not a perfect square. How can I factorize it? I can factorize it by the common factor both of them divisible by 3. So 3, both of them divisible by 3. 75 divided by 3 is 25x squared. 48 divided by 3 is 16y squared. Oh, I think why they put this question here, I told myself, actually I put this question as a reason, but of course, if you cannot factorize by a common factor, because these are not, you cannot factorize that one by using difference of two squares, because 75 and 48 not common, not a perfect square. So we have to use a common factor here. So 3 is common factor. As you see now, 25 and 16, they are squared number. 3 times 5x squared minus 4y squared. So 3 times, add them, 5x plus 4y, and subtract them, 5x minus 4y. So add the term, subtract the term. That's the deal here. We have squared number. As you see, these are squared terms. So that's the end of that one. So I can say this is equal 3 times 5x plus 4y multiplied by 5x minus 4y. So these are the factors: 3, 5x plus 4y, 5x minus 4y. Another example, again, not z doesn't have a perfect square here, as you see it. 18 and 32, they don't have, they are not a perfect square either. So I need to factorize that one by a common factor. 18 and 32, I think they were both divisible by 2. As you see, z and z, it's a common factor. I can factorize the term of 2z. 18 divided by 2 is 9. X squared, z divided by z 1, 1 times 9, 9, so we don't have to write it. 32 divided by 2 is 16, y squared, z divided by z 1, 1 times 16, 16, so I don't have to write it again. So now, as you see, there are perfect squares. 2z, 3x squared minus 4y squared, that's a squared term now. So what is the rule? 2z, I don't change anything, but here, as you see, squared, these are squared terms. Add squared terms, 3x plus 4y, not 4x, 4y, and subtract them, 3x minus 4y. So that's the last step. I can say that's equal 2 times z multiplied by 3x plus 4y multiplied by 3x minus 4y. So another example, this time we have squared expressions. As you see, the square of this expression minus square of that expressions. So let's see, what is the rule? Add them, subtract them. Same idea. What I have under the square, I will add them and I will subtract them. So first one, x plus y, this is the first expression, plus x minus y. So this is the second one. Multiply by, first one, x plus y, this is the first, subtract, so the minus x minus y. The same idea. Let's say this is a, this is b. First one plus second one, first one minus second one. So instead of variable or term, I have here algebraic expressions. So nothing changed, of course. Let's continue. We know how to add algebraic expressions. X plus x is 2x. So y minus y is 0. I have 2x here. When we do addition, of course, it's easy, but when we do subtraction, x plus y, same. I need to change the sign of second expression, so negative x plus y. So 2x I don't have to write in the parentheses because it's multiplication, 2x. And inside the parentheses, x minus x 0, y plus y, 2y plus 2y. That's equal. Oh, that's a good question. So 2x multiplied by 2y is equal 4xy. So that's all long expressions. So it's equal 4 times x multiplied by y. That's it. Very good question. We didn't do anything until we add the two expressions and we subtract two algebraic expressions. We do mathematics here. We add the expressions, we get 2x. We subtract the expressions, we get 2y. So 0 plus 2y, 2y. 2x multiplied by 2y. We know how to multiply algebraic terms, I hope. Next. Another squared number expressions. These are expressions. Let's say this is a, this is b. So what I am going to write? A plus b, a minus b, if you want a shortcut. But I'm not going to write that one. I will directly write the expressions. Let's say add the expressions, subtract the expressions. So 2x plus 8 plus 3y minus 4x. Add them, and 2x plus 8, first expression, minus 3y minus 4x, second expressions. Add them and subtract them. So 2x minus 4x, 8 plus 3y. Let's check the like terms. 2x, is there an x? Yes, minus 4x, it will be minus 2x. Let's make difference color. 2x and minus 4x, it makes minus 2x. Let's write here minus 2x. Another 8, it's the constant, there is no constant, and plus 3y here. Let's write that one. Come on, black color, where are you? Here. Plus 3y plus 8. This is the first side when we do addition. Let's do the subtraction. 2x plus 8 minus 3y plus 4x. So I don't do anything here. 3y plus 8, I don't do anything here because I already finished addition. Let's subtract. 2x like terms. Again, I have to combine the like terms because I already changed the terms of the second expressions because of this negative. 2x plus 4x, it makes 6x. There is then constant, only minus 3y. Let's say it's minus 3y. Usually we write the constant and then at the end of the algebraic expression. So because of that, the 8's all time last. So that's it. As you see, first factors, second factors, I factorize it. So it's equal to negative 2x plus 3y plus 8 multiplied by 6x minus 3y plus 8. So that's it. And you write it. It looks like very long. Of course, it takes lots of steps because there are two expressions. They are squared expressions. But we factorized it and we get two factors of these expressions. I hope there is nothing that I miss, or I hope the lessons is clear for you. Anything, any advice, you can write at comment. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.